Hey guys, most welcome to this OJPRD once again. Today in this video, I will just show you that the mobile application, mostly you are aware about it and you are using in your daily life. So today I will show you that what are the specific languages and their platforms where Android application has been developed. There are iOS, Android, React Native, Iconic, PhoneGap, Xamarin, and OpenGL. Now I am going to show you the front end developer languages which you are going to interact with your any application software. That is a JavaScript, React JS, Angular JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, UI, UX. Now I am going to show you the backend developer languages, that is Python, Java, Golang, Ruby on Rails, R, Django, Node.js, React API. Now the DevOps line things I am going to show you here, that is cloud architecture, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, Azure, Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins, Chief. Now emerging technologies roles I am going to show you here, that is blockchain, cryptocurrency, augmented reality, virtual reality, IoT, data science. Now analytical data science languages which I am going to show you, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, NLP, data mining, data modeling, and big data. These all are the languages which is going to develop the powerful software systems, and many more things you are going to see in the IT sector. So I think so this video is very knowledgeable for you, and you have got something which is a new concept here. So hope I think so you like this video. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye, take care.